realize how much food that I'm producing for people, you know, for a market thing, but I'm just thinking about a communal living situation, that how many people I can feed with the tools we'll talk about, you know, just minimal. And I mean, that suddenly becomes so real for me, and so that could be a valued member even as I age, you know, because I have this experience and something I can pass on to people that is vital in changing times.
So where's your big tractor at?
They're right there. You'll see the tire tracks.
There's the
You'll
tractor.
see the tire tracks
right there.
There's almost like the perfect landscape fabric that's
like
woven
picking it up.
together,
Yeah.
that's full of nutrition and disappears, you know, and then you do it again. Instead of the landscape fabric that has always, to me, seemed like hazardous waste that you got to get rid of. That's what I'm trying to do all the time out here, is change what people have been doing for a long time and see what the difference is. Because when's the last time that fields have been mown with a scythe 3 times a year? The incredibly important part here is to be planting through the mulch. Because think about, you know, everybody wants to mulch after, or it seems like most people do, and try to get this mulch this thick around these small plants. Let's say this didn't get watered in the driest time of the year. You saw what it looked like, you know, but this is still, even though this is dry, this has still got that glue. The thing is, you know, I'm watching all these pulses go through gardens and, you know, forests with mushrooms and different, you know, weather patterns, but you know, it's just to receive what's given and not have this expectation that it's going to be there every year. But that's the whole idea of diversity and resilience, that, you know, you're ready to receive what's here in abundance, and when something else doesn't, you know, when that doesn't happen, look for the next thing. It could be killer tomatoes, you know, and it could be awesome for them, all the melons.
Most importantly, you're enjoying your life. You're loving what you do. You have time to read. You have time for yourself. You have time for a journal, and you're farming. Because I think most people that think farming like that's it. You're giving up your life. You're giving up everything.
Well, and I think that's what that's the culture we've been. Even, you know, these, you know, holistic organic farmers, you know, they're always busting their butt. Chase.
Rat race. Yeah.
To try to accumulate things that might make you safe or feel safe, but like we said, you know, that dollar could turn into, you know, a penny.
That could be firewood.
Next week, yeah. But you know, that connection, and then living the joyful life of that balance. We got to really remember, it ain't all about money, folks. You know, because like you say, money disappears. Ethics, feeding people, that's what this is about for me as a farmer.